Well. Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you from Westlake Village, where we are trading Bitcoin, trying to make America a better place here. And yes, indeed, we are building a little trading account on Blowfin. So we're going to go over those trades, and you can see our equities building. The $100 to $1,000 challenge over the past couple of days. Not too bad. So far, so good. What do I want to look at here is our futures account, and we'll touch base on a trade that is already in. That is in a loss at the moment, down $1. Oh, only down $1. Okay, let's go to trade here. By the way, there's a link in the description below. You can get a exchange account here and just follow along on some of the trades. Jump in our Discord and get some of the trade signals. That way, you have something to trade on the side while the market is correcting a bit, and that is okay, completely okay for Bitcoin to have a little bit of a correction, a correcty-poo, as we call it, a correcty-poo. Yes, Bitcoin doing a little correction, and that is okay. And I'm just taking a look at Bitcoin for a little bit of a little long. And that means I should be closing down some of my shorts, which are absolutely in the green today. Very, very nice green day. Nice green day. But let's get into what you're all looking for here. And that is our good old Bitcoin chart. And just noticing actually over the past couple of days what happens when we get a breakdown. Boom. They do come back for it. Breakdown. Boom. Well, they didn't come back for it. So we failed to get back. But the area I'm guessing they're going to come back for is somewhere around 55,000. And I'm going to see if I can get my other chart up here that I drew a little bit of a flag pennant. Just a little idea here. If you're looking to grab some of that, those buying opportunities, because that's what I would consider this as a major buying opportunity. Any kind of dips down here. In my opinion, again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but any dips are for major buying opportunities. So you just want to identify those areas. And guys, what I think is likely and quite possibly going to happen is that we dance around this zone right here. And shout out to my friend Jordan, who was saying, look, we could dance around here, boom, 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 the bottom side of the channel, and then bang, bang, hit this, and then come for this area. Either way, we're in for some turbulence here. And does it look like it wants to break right now? Perhaps with the stock market melting down. Another bit of a down day for stocks. NASDAQ down 2.6%. And putting in a bit of a double top. And we did say likely we're going to be coming into this area of peace and prosperity and death and despair. Where is that? The white 200 simple. Probably going to get a bounce from that region. Let's take a look at some other traditional assets. The S&P's got more to go. Okay. Point for the bears. More to go for the Dow. And the Nikkei putting in the double top. That is your bear warning country. Dixie is putting in a bounce. Mr. Dixie perhaps putting in a bounce off the lows. So dollar goes up, typically bad for risk assets and things like gold. Keep in mind, guys, if the stock market's going to crash now, gold is probably going to take it on the chin. I do believe the gold top is in. That I'm more confident in than saying something on Bitcoin at the moment. But the gold top, very, very likely in. Not financial advice, not your financial advisor, but dang, sell those gold nuggets. Get rid of them. Get rid of the gold nuggets, because you have your chance to finally sell at a profit where nobody else sells at a profit. I'm telling you, gold is a tough game to play, especially if you're buying gold nuggets, rocks, coins, whatever you want to call them. Cherished family heirlooms. And Casper I guess I'm going to pull up a couple of charts here for those of you looking at the altcoins out there, because I know a lot of people are, and they want to know, where are the buy zones? Where are the buy zones? Is this full market mayhem meltdown? I don't think it is, guys. I don't think we're ready for that yet. And let's see if I can get rid of this. I wanted to clear this up, actually, draw this and put it in a little bit better as... well, the fibs don't line up with all the boxes. So here's our major macro trend line, and you can see this is rising up, coming for a test somewhere around 40,000 bucks. Would be the major macro trend line. Here's our point of control and where the potential bounce can get thrown up to, up right above here, and then, you know, I'd be looking to short from that area. Courtesy, I mean, Jordan, excellent. Shout out to you, man. Love the setups. And, you know, let's all work together as a team here and make some money. But we are bouncing off the bottom side of this trend line and below the point of control. So technically we're in the discount zone. Technically we're in the buy zone. This is the area where if you have some steel down there, right? Balls of steel, I think they call them. Well, then you're going to come out and you're going to buy. Buy where there's blood in the streets. Buy where there's blood in the streets, guys. That's what you need to do. And all your dreams will come true. All your dreams will come true. I want to... something's wrong with this chart. It's giving me a little tough time here. But I'm going to try to get rid of some... yeah, see there? Okay. I'm going to get rid of this box and that box. And say, look, okay, breaking down pennant. No, I'm going to get rid of this. Too many lines. And then we're just going to go from the macro high to the low and look for our 0.5618, 0.5618. Okay, 618 is coming in here. Boom. Boom. This area right here. That is your 786-618 area. Now let's take it from the last major breakout and see if that is going to be the area 786 to the 618. So these are the two major boxes, and if we're going to stay bullish, well, we're probably going to bounce it, you know, out of this box. So there's three boxes of peace and prosperity and death and despair on the macro trend level. And well, simply put, if you're looking to get involved, right? First major buy level is coming in here at about 40, so call it 50,300, and quick stop below that prior wick. To me, that doesn't seem as appetizing as prices are making lower lows and lower lows. So what I'd like to do is actually bring it here and get an entry on a wick, something like that. And then judge the market from there. There's going to be some volatility. There's going to be some up and down. Don't give up hope. This is not the end of the bull market, in my opinion. Could be wrong, could be wrong. But I don't think the Democrats are going to let the stock market melt down. They're going to pull the money printer out, the rate clipper, and they're going to let this thing rip through the end of the year. I would not be surprised at all. So, major macro trend line here coming in, and next major buy level coming in about 50,000 bucks. That is the 0.5 fib retracement. In fact, the last major bull market cycle, this one right here, what happened? We got a 50% retracement. Actually, in every area, in every prior market, right? We've gotten the 50% retracement. 50% retracement right into this zone. Boom, for a big bounce, okay? And where does the bull flag give us a measure move to? Well, and that probably going to give us a nice little flag measure move. Yeah. that would be probably somewhere around that area as a first target. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. Just letting you know, macro vision still in place. Don't freak out, and let's keep a very close eye on the market over the next week going into that rate hike on September 18th. I've got that marked off here. September 18th. No, I don't have it marked off. This is August. No. This is when we expect the highs to come in, somewhere around that 46-month market mark from the peak to the peak, right? The thing I'm looking for here, as this music is about to put me on my last beat here, let's see. Oh yeah, even more fun. OM, I do want to check in on this one, as I think it is hitting a major trend line of support, and if it is gonna, if this thing's gonna hold, this is where it bounces from. Checking in on Popcatch. Also, nice short on that one, reminding me to maybe get back in or add some more. Probably gonna touch the bottom side of this range. That would be my guess, guys. That would be my guess. Certainly, that would be it. And Ethereum, testing that wick one more time. This is we're getting into the bounce zone. This is feeling bouncier than not, as well as you're coming in right in. This is the golden pocket zone. This is where you should be accumulating Ethereum, buying for the winter, buying for the rest of your life. ETH ain't going away, even though the Ethereum Foundation sold some coins. And Mr. Whiff, we got a good short in on this one. Let's see how we're doing there on this one. We hit TP1 and 2. I did give this trade setup on the Discord this morning. And we hit TP2. Nice. And that's what I said is, look, if you hit TP2, you might just want to let the trade run with the wind. Run with the wind. I must have already TP2'd out of this one. So many trades. So many good trades out there. Injective. Let's check in on this one. I do believe... okay. I'm going to have to go because it's time to put some more trades on. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed and highly favored weekend. Make sure you sign up for the exchange, guys. Get your trading account going. Join the Discord. It's not too late. And I will see you soon. Take care.